You Precious? Is your name Precious too? Good. Good. So put your thumbs in your, like you have pockets, it's your thumbs. It gives you a little foundation. Thank you. Chin down a little bit. Thank you. Bring your elbows back. Thank you. 45 this way. Yep. Turn your face that way. Nice. Push your glasses up. Thank you. You spent money on anti-reflective lenses. Good job. Thank you. You did. You did. Nice. Chin down. A little happier. 45 that way. Nice. Chin down. Half step back this way. Thank you. Thank you. Head like this a little bit. Nice. Right at the blue light. And then do another square at me. Yep. Widen your stance. Yep. Yep, just a little bit. And then what I should do is I'm going to do a couple, like turn your face that way. Yep, just back towards me. And then turn your shoulders that way a little bit. Yep, keep your nose towards me. Nice. Smile. Then go the other way. Nice. But you get all these. Chin down. Push your glasses up. Thank you. Head like that. Do you always wear your glasses? Okay, good. All done.